welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. I swear I have filmed these videos so many times, and every time I film it, I hate the way that it comes out. So I'm really going to focus on this one. I'm really going to try my hardest to have some good lighting, just some valuable what I eat in a day content. So for those of you who are new here, my name is Gianna. I make outfit videos, lifestyle vlogs, things of that sort. I really focus heavily on fashion videos, but I'm kind of jumping out of my comfort zone here to show you guys what I eat in a day, like I said. So I always start off the morning with a little cup of coffee. I'm on my first cup right now, and I'm about to fill it up to go for my second, because I usually have 2 to 3 cups a day easily, because I just love coffee. It's like my favorite part of the morning. So I'm gonna drink my coffee, fill up my hydro flask, and get on with my day. But I'll check in with you guys when I have some sort of breakfast or lunch sort of deal. It is 9:35 right now. Okay, it is now 10:40 and I'm pretty hungry. Normally I eat a little bit earlier than this, but I had a late dinner last night because we all went out. So I'm gonna make my breakfast now. Like I said, it's 10:40. I, on most days, will have cereal, but I bought a bunch of avocados last week at Trader Joe's and they're finally ripe. So I'm actually gonna switch it up and have avocado toast with an egg, which is crazy. Okay, this is my breakfast. The lighting is not very good, but I just made avocado toast, 2 eggs. I made some chorizo over there on the side, and then just some leftover avocado. I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna have lunch a little bit later, but this looks so good. I almost don't miss my cereal, which is crazy. I can't believe I'm saying that, but it's true. Clearly, I liked this since there was nothing left. Okay, so I just finished my breakfast. That took me maybe like 10 minutes to eat because it was so good. Like I feel like I ate that so fast, but it was so good. So I wanted to show you guys, because I said I normally eat cereal for breakfast. So I want to show you guys a normal one that I would typically eat. So on an average day, I normally will eat this cereal, and I love this. It is so good. It literally tastes like heaven, and it like kind of satisfies my sweet tooth in the morning, because I normally will wake up with a really bad sweet tooth, and then I'll get another really bad sweet tooth at the end of the day. So like right before I go to bed. So this like satisfies it because it's super, super, super sweet, and I love that. But that avocado toast was so good. You guys saw I did have mini avocados, which those were so cute. I got those from Trader Joe's after seeing them on Brooke's vlog, Brooke Mikio. And I was like, oh my god, I gotta get those, because I don't like a lot of avocado. I even threw out like a little bit of it that I had left over, just because I don't really like too much avocado on my toast. But that was really good. I'm really glad I made that. I'm probably gonna eat that for the rest of the week, just because I have like 5 avocados. So I'll probably eat that for the rest of the week, either for breakfast or for lunch. But that was pretty filling, so I probably won't eat again until maybe 1:32ish. It's 11 now. And I didn't mention this earlier, but I don't really follow like a eating schedule. I used to do intermittent fasting, but then I've recently cut that out, and especially just working from home, I kind of just eat whenever. I know when I was at work I had a little bit of a stricter schedule. I'd get to work, drink my green smoothie, then eat around like 12, but while I'm home I literally have not made 1 green smoothie. Which is really crazy because I was eating those religiously. Good news, it's lunchtime. It is 2 p.m. and Paul said he's gonna make me a burrito. Did you say that? I gotta set up the camera for this. Bam! They're done. They look so good. This is mine, my burrito. We put some, like I said, sour cream, salsa. I have my queso in here that I'm gonna dip it in. And honestly, without the queso, this meal is pretty healthy. But I need the queso right now. Okay, I need it. I'm getting my period. Here's a better picture. Looks so good. So now we're gonna eat this, watch some TV, and then get back to work, sadly. All right, I finished my little burrito. It was really good, and typical me, I needed something sweet after it, so we bought these little ice cream cones yesterday from Walmart, and I'm eating one now. So it's chocolate, has little peanuts on the top, and you know, it's just gonna satisfy my sweet tooth because, like I said, I didn't have my cereal earlier, so I needed something to minimize my sweet tooth until later tonight. So eating this as just like a little snack, and then probably gonna work out a little bit later and then have dinner later tonight. So kind of trying to not eat as much. Definitely when I'm in the office, I snack a lot, and I find like working from home I don't snack as much, but I do eat a lot of bigger meals. So I guess it's like a personal preference, you know, like either you eat a bunch of small things throughout the day or you eat a big meal. So I'm gonna eat this because it looks so good, and then I'll talk to you guys when I eat like another snack or dinner. All right, guys, we are in my kitchen again. I think the last time I talked to the camera, I was eating an ice cream cone, which that was so good, I have to say. 10 out of 10. Now I'm gonna start cooking dinner. It is 5:45, so I stopped working at 5, and then I actually ran to the grocery store because I was missing some ingredients that I couldn't get yesterday when we went food shopping. So I picked those up, and I'm gonna start cooking. So honestly, I kind of want to put the camera down because I have like kind of not really a rant, but I just want to like talk, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Let me get something to put the camera down on. Hi, popping in mid-editing because I said I was gonna put the camera down right before this clip, and I was gonna do a little like rant, and I am watching that footage back right now, and it's just so rambly that it's like almost too much to upload. So I just wanted to, I guess, do a little synopsis of what I was saying in that clip. Pretty much what I was saying was that I don't eat the healthiest every day, nor do I eat the healthiest on most days. I'm a very picky but also like lenient eater, if that makes sense. Train is coming. So what I was saying was I'm not the pickiest eater, but I'm also very picky, if that makes sense at all. And I like what I like, and I don't like what I don't like. So I'm not one to like go out of my comfort zone, eat different types of foods or things like that. Like if I know I'm not gonna like it from the get-go, I'm just not gonna eat it. So that being said, I don't cook often. I don't really cook a lot of meat anymore. I don't really cook I never eat fish, so that's always been something that's not in my diet at all. I love burgers and like things like that, but I don't eat them on the daily, nor do I eat them on the weekly. So what I eat typically during the week varies. If I'm in the mood for a bowl of cereal for lunch, I will eat a bowl of cereal. If I'm in the mood for peanut butter and jelly for dinner with chips on the side, I'll eat that. Like, I hate being on a schedule with my food because I just don't work like that, and I hate eating the same thing every single day, which is why I don't meal prep. So I've always, like I said, well, actually you wouldn't know because I cut the clip out, but I never cook, and I don't dislike that I don't cook. Like, I really don't mind that I don't cook on the daily because it's just a hassle for me, and it's something that I just don't enjoy. So like, I'll go out and I'll get food for dinner, or I'll make like a frozen burrito or a frozen quesadilla, or eat like a salad on some days, or I'll make chicken cutlets. Like, my eating varies, not only daily, but weekly, monthly. Like, I never eat the same thing in a day because I hate eating the same food over and over again. So I just wanted to preface that and say that in this clip, that you can literally eat whatever you want. You don't have to eat what I'm eating. You don't have to eat what you're watching, whoever you're watching on YouTube. You don't have to eat what your mom eats, your dad eats. You can eat what you want to eat, you know, in moderation, basically is what I'm saying. Like, I know when I have to have something healthy. I know when to like cut off the snacks, because I just feel like I've always had a basic, pretty healthy relationship with food, which I think has always been a good thing, and something that I've always been thankful for, because I know that food is something that people often don't have a healthy relationship with, and I have struggled in the past, but nothing to a bad extent. So yeah, I feel like I'm getting rambly again, but I'm just gonna end off this clip basically saying I don't cook, I hate cooking. What I eat in a day varies so much, so this was just like a basic day of eating for me. And what I'm gonna cook next in the clip is my dinner, and me and Paul ate that for like the majority of the week. I'm editing this now at the end of the week, and we ate that pretty much like all week, just kind of like snacking for lunch, dinner, really whenever. So yeah, I feel like I was rambling again, but I have a hard time getting my thoughts out sometimes when I'm trying to like explain something like this. So I hope this made sense, and I hope you're enjoying the video. Okay, I have not finished cutting up all my stuff, but the pasta is done, and they say that you should pour this over the pasta when it's warm. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna pour it right over the pasta. And stir it all up. Make sure all of it is coated. I'm gonna leave that there, get back to cutting the rest of my ingredients. So I'm gonna clean up, put everything away, and then probably grab myself a bowl, sit down, watch some TV. Paul went to golf, so yeah. I think I said that I started cooking at 5:30, 5:45, and it's 6:10, so you guys can see it took me no time at all to make that, and I have tons. It'll last me the entire week. I'm so excited to eat it. Okay, here's the finished product. This is what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Cannot wait. Oh my god, it looks so good. So I ate my dinner around 6-ish. It is 8:30 right now, and I'm probably gonna stop eating very soon, but I'm sitting here watching Vampire Diaries, and I'm having just a tiny, tiny, tiny sweet tooth. So I'm gonna finish off this little bit of goldfish. They're in the vanilla cupcake flavor, and these are like some of my favorite sweet tooth snacks. If you couldn't you couldn't get the gist already from this video, I have a huge sweet tooth in the morning, midday, night, pretty much all day. So after I eat something super salty like that dinner was that I just made, I need something sweet. So I figured, you know what, it's been 2 hours, I'm gonna have a little something right here. So I'm gonna eat these goldfish. They're so good because they are so sweet. Like I said, they're vanilla cupcake flavors, so I really like to eat these when I'm having that sweet tooth at night, because they're really not that bad for you. You can have like a good handful of them for, I think it's like 140 calories or something like that. So it's really not bad. But I'm gonna eat these, and I wanted to end off the video here because, like I said earlier, I'm not gonna be eating anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I eat in a day, and subscribe if you're new because I'd love to have you stick around and see more of my videos. So yeah, that's my cue. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.